Congratulations, Manali, on your wonderful offer at Morgan Stanley. We at Techdose would like to congratulate you on this achievement. So, we would like to know about your journey, but we will first be starting by knowing about what was your previous company and to which company you made transition. What were the role transition and the percentage package increment, if you can put some light.
Yeah, definitely. So thank you very much. And coming to my company, currently I'm in a Big Four and I'm transitioning to Morgan Stanley. So it is about around 100%, like around 116% hike. To be
Okay,
very
nice,
yeah.
nice. More than
So
double, right? Yeah.
yeah. So
Mm,
that is a brief on that.
nice, very nice. So, which specific company are you in Big Four?
Yeah. So currently I'm in Deloitte.
Nice. So, from Deloitte, you are moving to Morgan Stanley with 2.16 times increment. That is 116% approx, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. So, I mean, what was your role in the previous company in Deloitte? Like, what is your year of experience? What is your current level role, and what is the role that you got in Morgan Stanley?
Yeah, so in Deloitte, I was in analyst. It was like a junior, like software engineer.
Hmm.
And in Morgan Stanley, I'm getting a role for associate. It is like a second level, like a senior software engineer. They start from analyst and then go to associate. So I've got that level.
Okay, okay, nice. Okay, fine, good. So, my next thing would be to know about the interview process. And since you moved from analyst to associate, right?
Yeah,
So what was the interview like? I think you had around 4 years experience, right? Approximately.
approximately, but yet
Yeah.
not 4 years. Yeah,
Yeah. Still some months to go. Okay.
yeah,
So let's take it as 3 years, 8 months, or 9 months, something like that.
yeah.
So for this
Correct.
experience, what was the interview like? Like how many rounds were there, first of all?
So all over it was 5 rounds put together.
And what were the type of rounds?
Yeah, so first, second, and third were completely technical. And then the fourth was a profit round. It was like a techno managerial round. And the
Mm-hmm.
fifth round was the HR. Yeah.
Okay, so in the first 3 rounds, technical rounds, what was the focus area on?
Yeah, so the first round, they started with DSA. It was like a lead code medium question,
Hmm.
array, hash map, this topics. And then they started completely into backend low level design questions. Like what are
Okay.
the one of the major thing that I found out in this interview is they are giving me scenarios and I
Hmm.
have to come up with my approach. Yeah, so
Okay.
they were not directly asking about the questions. They were
Okay.
giving me scenarios, like what
Okay.
would be the best approach. I think in that case, yeah.
Okay.
So this was
Okay.
a complete scenario based question in the first round,
Okay.
and in the second round, again it was a DSF. It was from string medium level question, and
Hmm.
then they completely focused to the front end. Since for me it is a full stack development role, so it
Okay.
was completely 1 hour of front end discussion.
Mhm.
And then in the third round, it was again a technical round where they were focusing on the architectural part, or again they were giving me scenarios, and it was like I have to come up with my approach of low level design.
Mm.
uh, yeah,
Yeah.
so the
Okay.
scenario
Got it.
based problems I have faced here.
Okay. So
Yeah,
from what I understand, in the high level design, you got scenario based specific type of questions. Then in the second round, you got DSA plus front end. So front end was the longer interview for 1 hour, and DSA, you got medium level questions. And
yeah,
then in the third round, you were facing LLD, isn't
yeah,
it?
again. And it was again completely into my project. And then
Hmm.
after my project, I mean, previous projects that I've worked
Okay,
on.
LLD plus project. Okay.
Yes. My
Okay.
previous project and then LLD. They were trying to understand the different design patterns. And again, it
Mm.
was not as straightforward. They were giving me scenarios and what are the approaches that I'll
Yeah.
take.
They were
Yeah.
seeing how much you have worked on actually, because people
Yeah.
start mentioning about this project, that project, and maybe you don't understand the intricacies of the work. So yeah, I mean, well done there. I think in the 3 rounds you had a lot of diversity in the type of rounds you got, right? So
Correct.
generally we see it in 5 rounds if you have. but you got it in 3 rounds, very fast paced, and I think longer interviews than not the standard interviews, right?
Yes, yes.
So that was also painful, I think.
Yeah,
So,
very much.
so how was the fourth round?
Yeah, so fourth round was comparatively, they again started with asking me my background projects. And then
Mm,
it was like more into my communications, how I can communicate, and also basic, the technical challenges that I faced in my previous project. So overview of
mm.
all of them, like both
Okay,
technical and then some managerial common questions like that we
okay,
all
okay,
face. Yeah.
okay, okay. And then the fifth round is HR discussion.
Yeah, it
Sim-
was complete HR. No, again, they started with HR questions that
Mm,
they ask, right? How we
mm.
manage our team, if we have got some understanding, or like how we handle difficult situations. So like basic HR questions
Okay,
in the
right.
fifth round. Yeah.
Nice. So since I mean, I will be going to the next question. Thank you for explaining this in a lot of detail. Uh, I would want to know about, since you were the part of our batch live sessions, so how were we able to help you in doing your overall interview preparation?
Yeah, so initially when I started, I was this there was very I was lagging in consistency, right? So I already started DSA long back, but the consistency was not being maintained. Something or the other was coming up. We all have project, we all have our full-time job, right?
Mm,
And when it comes to weekends, we all have our plans.
yeah.
So somehow or the other, the things were getting distracted. So
Mm,
I found out your live class, and it was very helpful because we got the overview of everything, that and we were consistent, most importantly. So it
mm,
helped me because I already knew the concept, but I needed something to brush up my skills. I needed
mm,
regularly to brush up my skills and then go through the assignments and everything.
mm.
So it definitely
Yeah.
helped a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one last question, why did you take the live class and not the recorded classes?
It's the same reason, right? In the live class, we can interact more.
Mm,
And if we have our questions, as you know, initially I started asking a lot of questions
mm,
because that cleared us. There are certain things which we want to discuss with, and also in
mm,
live class, what helped me, I got some. We can get some like-minded people, and we can sit
mm,
together. So that
mm.
also helped me. I
Yeah.
we practice together, right?
Mm,
So
yeah.
yeah, that was
Yeah.
also another thing. We had our targets that in the next week these things will be happening, so if we
Mm.
can cover at least something among ourselves, then it will be helpful in our to catch up in the weekend, right?
Yes, yes.
So
So
yeah.
that is, yeah, that is the entire goal of these sessions, that you get into the process without you thinking about what I need to do, and break it down into small, small steps and keep taking the steps, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So it's really wonderful to see that this entire curriculum has worked out well for you. And again, I would wish you all the best for your future endeavors as well. Thank you for
Thank,
joining us.
thank you, thank you.
If you are someone who is looking to prepare for top product based company within a limited time of just 3 months, then we have brought for you both the DSA and the system design live interview training program. The most important feature of this program is you get a filtered and condensed structured curriculum, in-depth discussion of all the topics, and my guarantee of your understanding, one-on-one guidance with me, and live weekend classes. To know more about the training, you can WhatsApp us on this given number.